In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Godaddy domain to a website. Start by signing into your Godaddy account and opening your domain portfolio. Select the domain you want to connect and click DNS to access the domain's DNS settings. Next, log into your website platform, such as Webflow, Framer, Shopify, Wix, or another hosting provider. Open the domain or publishing settings and locate the DNS records required to connect your domain. Now return to Godaddy and add the DNS records provided by your website platform. This usually includes one or more records and sometimes a name record. Make sure the values are entered exactly as provided. After that, save your DNS changes in Godaddy. DNS updates can take a few minutes to several hours to fully propagate across the internet. Next, return to your website platform and verify the domain connection. Once the records are detected, set the custom domain as your primary domain if that option is available. Now publish or republish your website to ensure it is connected to the new domain. Finally, visit your domain in a browser and confirm that your website loads correctly. If it doesn't work immediately, wait for DNS propagation to complete and try again later. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect a Godaddy domain to a website. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.